This is going to be like an HGTV home improvement show on steroids. As you can hear, we can't really stop for anything, not even an interview. We're essentially jumping forward 23 years from what mechanically we used to do in the past. It'll be 24/7 over the next 5 days. This floor will be completely out by the end of Friday. All state-of-the-art technology, USB charging ports right by your seats, an oversized luxury seat for you to be able to enjoy concerts, SEC men's basketball coming in 2018, and obviously our beloved Blues.